Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to update and install macOS Big Sur. Let's have a look. This is MacBook Pro. Please check description below for compatible devices. You can manually update macOS Big Sur. So click Apple logo on top left, then click System Preferences. From System Preferences, click Software Update. It will start checking for updates. Make sure your Mac connected with internet. macOS Big Sur 11.0.1 available. Total file size 12.18 GB. To update your macOS, just click Upgrade Now. It's start downloading new updates. Depend on your internet speed, it will show you total remaining hours. After download, you will get this macOS Big Sur screen. Now it's the time to install macOS Big Sur. So click Continue. You can read the agreement and click Agree. I have read and agree to the terms of the software license agreement. Click Agree. macOS Big Sur will be installed on the disk, your disk name. Click Continue. Your computer is not connected to a power source. Apple recommends that you plug in and connect your power adapter before installing. Are you sure you want to continue the installation? Click Continue. You have to enter your admin user ID and password to continue. It will take about 15 minutes to install macOS Big Sur. Your computer will restart several times and you will get new Big Sur screen. Go to Apple logo and click about this Mac. It's macOS Big Sur version 11.0.1. So these are the steps to download and install macOS Big Sur. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.